Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe, and as promised, this is the second video of our renovation series. Well, not our renovation series, my home renovation series. For you guys who are just new to the channel, what's happening is I've just gotten the keys to my place, and what I'm doing right now is building up a home for myself, a home for my wife, and hopefully in a few months' time, we can live here for the rest of our adult lives, probably. So from the previous video, what happened was that I was telling all of you that 50% of the renovation will be DIY. That means I will get my hands dirty. What I mean by dirty is some of these things I'll be probably doing my own. And 50% of the other renovation work, I'll just outsource it to an interior designer, a professional, someone who we have to pay through our blood, sweat, and tears. Unfortunately. So what's happening today? The previous video, we installed some invisible mesh system to ensure that bugs or lizards, I don't know why Singapore homes, we have a lot of common lizards, very disgusting. And as much as possible, my wife and I, we do not want any bugs, lizards, any cockroaches to enter the house because my wife loves them so much. And part of the reason is because I don't want to wake up in the middle of the night having to remove all of these creepy crawlers out of the house while I am sleeping. No, I just don't want my sleep to get interrupted that way. Now with that out of the way, today we are going to drill some ceiling lights. Yeah, we've got my common toilet over here and it's totally dark and I need to drill a ceiling light. Come, let me show you. So yeah, this is where the light is going to be installed. It's very echoey. And what's going to happen is I'll just spend a few minutes drilling holes onto the ceiling. And hopefully, with some of my basic electrical wiring skills, I can have this entire toilet lit up. Confidence level of my very, very basic electrical wiring skills, I'll say about 8/10. I've already purchased a ceiling light from IKEA. And yeah, in Singapore, we say IKEA, not IKEA. And I just checked. The Swedish way of pronouncing IKEA is IKEA, and it isn't IKEA. Fun fact. What I'm also going to do is to drill the holes on the ceiling using this power tool, which I recently bought, and it's by this Singaporean company called Keelat. All right, in Malay, Kilat means lightning or flash. Depends on the context and how you look at it. But I think it is lightning. This costs less than $100, $97 to be exact. I got this off TikTok shop because TikTok shop in Singapore is becoming really, really popular. And I think they were on some sort of promotion and I thought I'll just give it a try. So I've already unboxed the entire package. In this package, it includes the handheld drill itself. This is cordless, which means I can move this around and drill onto walls or whatever that I want to drill without it tethered to the power source. It has this battery thingy. This is what makes it wireless. And I can just connect it like that. And this is really good to go. 20 volt. This is good for any concrete wall drilling. You can drill onto wood. You can also make this as a cordless screwdriver, right? So really, really awesome. And they've also included several accessories, which include some diamond bit. I am very sure this is for ceramic because that's what usually diamond hit ones are for. We also got the masonry ones. These are super thick, great for concrete. And they got several other adapters and attachments. One of the things which I thought is cool is this extension arm. So in essence, you just have to connect this in. Once you lock it, there will be some places where it's has a crevice or it's very narrow, it's very tight space. And what this enables you to do is to reach into those very squeezy spots and have it either drill or screwed. I don't think it is advisable for me to use this as a drill, but for screws, I think it's really, really practical. Some other drill bits they gave, these ones, which I do not know what these are. Oh, and it comes with 2 battery packs together with the charger. 2 battery packs, and this lasts for a good 30 minutes. That's what's written on the box. So with that, let's get some drilling done. All right, all set up with the drill. Let's see whether the Singapore brand Kilat is able to drill in through the concrete ceiling and creating, how many holes do I need? 3 holes. I need 3 holes. All right, let's see. Guys, this could drill into concrete ceiling really, really well. Just as well as my old Bosch drill, right? Because this drill is capable of doing hammer mode. So you got 3 modes, which is the hammer mode, the drilling mode, as well as the screw driving mode. The reason why I have this on is because I don't want to eat any concrete dust. So, yep. But wow, very, very impressive. I am so going to recommend this to any other of my friends and other family members or people that I know. Highly, highly recommend it. This is so good. Wow. All right. Now that the holes are already made, time to install the light. All right, guys. Before you do any wiring, you just have to ensure that all of the electrical points on the ceiling is turned off, because you don't want to get shocked for nothing. And of course, wearing safety gloves, something like this is always recommended. And having a test fan is also highly, highly recommended. All right. So let's test things out. All right. We'll go nothing with the wiring. Now to test whether the light works or not. All right. So whatever that you switched off, have to go and switch it on back again. All right. So the IKEA ceiling light has already been installed over there. It's a bit dark, I know, but hopefully you guys can see this. All right, it's over there. It's showtime. This goes nothing. All right. And a count of 3 to on the ceiling light. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that works. Yeah, it's quite bright. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Not too shabby, yeah. Okay, so job well done. And all thanks to the Keelat drill. I think that's the MVP. Okay, so now that we've already gotten the common toilet ceiling light out of the way, I was thinking of installing the lights at the walkway to the rooms. This will require me to drill more holes. Luckily, I've got my Keelat drill. Let's see how long I'll take. All right, all done. And it took me like 15 minutes to get everything done. And let's see whether this works. The switch is here. All right, at the count of 3, hopefully my wiring is good. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Awesome. So proud of myself. Only if my wife was here to see all this glory. You know, this is exactly the thing, right? When I do all these marvelous feats, she's not around, so I can like show things off to her. I just got to show her this video then. All right, this ceiling light is good. Let's see this one. The switch should be here. All right, and again, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Oh, that's disappointing. I wonder what is wrong. I know what is wrong. So the wiring, blue is neutral. That's correct. Green is grounded. Brown is line. I think all is correct. Could it be that the brown over here is supposed to go to the other hole? Yeah, I did not think electrical back in school. Based on assumption. Let's try. Nothing. I wonder if this is the right switch. There's no other switches. Oh well. Mission failed. For this one. That one, mission passed. That's disappointing. Okay, what is also great is that I managed to do this. This is the kitchen ceiling light. And let's see whether this works. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. This is good. Just as a sidetrack, I actually wanted that light to be here. That one. But then my wife and I, we were discussing, and we thought that this light to this light, it's a bit too near. Yeah, it's literally just next to each other. And we thought that if we could just not use this one, but use that one instead, so that this one, we can lay a little bit more electrical lines, so that when we have our breakfast booth somewhere here, all right, somewhere at this place, we can have like a pendant light hanging above the breakfast booth. I think it's something worth considering. So that one we'll have to tell our interior designer that plan. So now that this is full of holes, there we go. How many holes are there? 6 holes? Yeah, 6 holes. Now I have to patch that up. All right, for the patchwork, I've already gotten putty for this from Daiso, as well as the steel scraper. Hopefully this does the job. Let's open it up. All right, patchwork commencing. All right, guys, that's it for the ceiling work. At this point, I've already installed the bathroom light, ceiling light, but one light failed. For some reason, I don't know what went wrong. It could be my wiring, or it could just be the switch. I cannot yet determine because I don't have the skill sets to determine what is wrong with the wiring. Just have to leave that to the professionals. Also, already puttied up some of the holes that we drilled. It's not the place that we want to have our ceiling lights, but the kitchen ceiling light at the other end is already being done. So that's all right. And that's it. All right, guys. So that's it for the second video of my home renovation series. I hope you enjoyed it. Do leave me some comments if you have some advice for me. My skill sets for all of this is literally basic, right? I'm not a professional. I just do things what I know. Any advice would be great. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope you've enjoyed this one. And if you do, hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next renovation video. Bye.